she's just standing like that. Yeah. Imagine. What if she falls down?
You see that?
Even they're holding weapons. AK-47.
They're women only.
I've never seen.
They never did this
even
before.
She's pressing her laptop.
Yeah, they never did this before. Only this year.
Out is standing like it's mind blowing.
I can't imagine even.
Namaste. Namaskaram. Bagunaru.
Bamna,
How
are you?
Bolo.
Fine. Namperu Samsona Edi from Sudan.
Which language are you speaking?
Arabic.
Oh, be serious.
Oh, Telugu.
Telugu you are speaking.
Telugu.
Mera naam Gabs Gabi. This is Hindi.
Nemaru or Miranam? Okay, wait. My handle is Mui from Nigeria.
From Nigeria.
Which language is this?
English.
So
This is Mohib from Sudan, and this is Abdul Wahab from Sudan. And today we are going to check Republic Day 2024 parade.
Wow.
And what is going to be unique about this video, guys, is like a stunt. It's a performance for Indian women with bikes, which is something really unique. Wow. And I heard that in the history that those who are the Indian women, they don't usually perform.
Right.
They don't show the stand with the bikes. So we are so curious to know how it went and what happened.
How does it look like?
How is it? We are so curious. Without wasting time, make sure to join the African family. Let's go.
Let's go.
Wow.
Shine!
Stunning, man.
Oh my gosh.
Motor magic, the bike is on, man.
And she's just standing like that.
Yeah.
Imagine.
Abalazim.
What if she falls down?
You see that?
Even they're holding weapons. AK-47.
Yeah, they're women only.
I've never seen.
They never did this
even
before.
she's pressing her laptop.
Yeah, they never did this before. Only this year.
Out is standing like it's mind blowing.
I can't imagine even.
I think those women, they are the kind of women who don't fear.
They don't fear.
They don't fear. Let's go. We move.
Imagine someone who's into military. I have no fear, bro. You have to fear him, but you never fear him. I just standing like this, like that before.
Yeah, this is the president now.
Yeah.
No.
Okay,
yeah, the president of India.
Alright.
See the guests? They're clapping. They're showing some appreciation. Yeah.
Look like China or Korea?
Korea. Yeah. The way they're displaying the motorcycle at the Republic Day parade is very amazing. Seriously, I've never witnessed something like that. Even they're doing Olympics.
See this one. The bike is just going.
And she's waving at people. She's greeting people.
Me, I'm just shocked. How is the bike going? How
they are controlled.
How is the bike going and no one is?
It's mind blowing. It's mind blowing.
Huh? Or they just kept the bike. Is it automatic bike?
No.
They are going so fast.
Maybe.
Okay, when they reach the point, then they jump up. See this one. See this one.
Shine!
Very amazing.
This life no balance.
It's so unique, man. It never happened. Only in 2024. This is so crazy, so beautiful, guys. So elegant.
Just looking like a wow.
See, I'm wowed. I'm wowed.
Wowed.
I'm wowed. Like this is mind blowing. Like I've never seen such thing like this in my entire life. Even on daily basis, I've seen my friends have been doing some show off with a bike, but I have never seen this one.
You sure?
Yeah, no.
For me, the one who make me so shocked, the one with the ladder, like she's up on the ladder,
Up on
and
the
no
ladder,
one is riding
and no one is
there.
controlling the motorcycle. Imagine, and the motorcycle is going straight way,
And she's a woman at the end.
and she's waving at people. She's hailing people. Imagine.
Wow. This is
Wow.
what I think this year. This is the best ever Republic for
best
India.
show, yeah.
Because the women, they came and they showed that they can do the same thing. What man can do,
woman can do better.
They just prove it
better.
now.
Yeah, this is proof.
No better.
Better and better, best. and
What a man can do, a woman can do better.
See, this is what can prove. Like we are currently in India, right? We are currently in India. You can see that most of Indian women, they work hard, even more
harder than
you see that?
Yeah.
When you go to construction place, building,
they are
women are there. They are the one constructing.
Market are there. Government are there. Everywhere you go.
Why not to do the bike?
The bike? Why?
if they can
have
do
done
everything.
everything. So what is
Indian women, they are
riding
really
by a
so great.
motorcycle? It's something
Yeah.
small for them, right?
Yeah, they are really great.
Yeah, this is
Street
what I
skill.
like. I mean, they're passionate and they're always energized. You know,
Yeah, they are hardworking.
They are
people.
hardworking people. Seriously,
Yeah.
they can never reject any type of work. If you have offered to them any type of job, they will never
And
reject
this
it.
is
You
motivation
understand?
to another, to
Yeah.
another woman.
Yeah,
Yeah,
to
to another woman.
You can do
You
anything.
see, our
This is
fellow
so
women from my country, you guys have to learn from
learn
this video.
this.
Learn.
Yeah.
Because we have been spoiling you guys
Actually,
every time. We have
in
been
India
spoiling
also you will find women riding bike. This is something
yeah,
common.
yeah, come on. Yeah, I've seen it.
Yeah.
Whether
So
it's
common.
scooty or bike,
Bike,
something
they do it
common,
easily.
yeah. Even car also.
So this is
Even
what we
truck.
saw. Even
Truck.
yeah, if
Yeah,
they
even
ride
truck.
car, why not
Yeah.
drag?
They can write a human being also.
Yeah.
They have no faith. That's so.
Indian women, they are really strong. They are
They're
really
very
great.
strong, they're very
So
strong.
this
They're
is
standing on their
It's
ground.
so impressive.
We really love it. Love from Africa. Kindly, we are requesting all
You are
the
culture in
people,
India.
all the Bharat people, subscribe this channel.
Show
Jai
love.
Hind, Jai Hind, Jai
India,
Africa.
India, Africa.